Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to go ahead and add product from Shopify to AliExpress. Open up your Chrome web store and search for this extension, AutoDS Dropshipping Helper. Okay, let me click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension and it will start downloading it to your Chrome browser. And just wait for it to be done downloading. Okay, now I'll go ahead and pin this extension to my Chrome. Okay, go ahead and just look for that extension right here and pin it. Okay, now I'll go to AliExpress and refresh your page. Okay, then you want to come here and click on this icon. And if I click on extract, it will extract the IDs of all the products. And then I can click on export as CSV. And then it will start downloading a CSV file for me, right? If you want a specific product, what you can do is come to that page and then you just click on extract. I have one of a specific product. And then what you want to do is that, using the AutoDS bulk uploader, you want to go ahead and import the CSV file that you downloaded, right? Configure your upload settings and then choose whether you want to upload them now or schedule them for later. And then now you have basically imported products from AliExpress into Shopify and save yourself hundreds of hours of work in the process.